Media Services Group tutorial on how to create a listing text order. For prerequisite steps, please refer to the publication setup and rate card tutorials. Navigate to the advertising module on Elan.Web and click on the orders menu. Then click the print advertising orders and enter a new listing order. In the advertiser ID field, enter the advertiser ID used in this order. The screen defaults the advertiser name. Choose the brand from the drop-down menu. Then select the publication in which you would like to place this listing ad. The issue screen will pop up. Select the issue you'd like to place the ad in, and then click on Apply Issue Selection. Select any of the editions if applicable. This field is optional. Select the section. In this case, it is the listing ads section. Then select the categories, for example, for sale. Then select the subcategory. Proceed to select the ad type. For this demo, we are creating a text listing ad. The classified or listing entry screen will appear. Select the material as being new material. There are two other options: to copy from a previously existing order or to move from a previously existing order. When you choose new material, note that the pickup from order and the material ID are disabled. Enter the ad headline. For example, bird watching. Made easy. Enter an image URL that you would like to use for this ad if applicable, and enter an image description. Also enter production notes if any are needed to be sent to the ad production team. This field is also optional. Click the mouse into the blank box and enter the text that would appear in this listing ad. Note that you can highlight text and format it using the tools above. For example, underline, bold, italic, and so forth. You can also widen the text area by choosing a higher number of columns, for example, 3 columns. You can also reduce back to 1 column. This is the width in which the listing ad will appear in the publication. Note that the number of words and characters and other measurements are calculated on the bottom for ease of calculation. Proceed to click Save. In the order entry screen, choose the size of the ad, for example, 1/4 of a page. And note that the base units and the base price will default the values from the rate card into these fields. Select the position. Select the status from the many options. It could be a quote, reserved, or running. Enter a purchase order number, if any. Select the PIB or category. And note the pricing details on the right side of the screen and the calculations. At this point, you can click Create New Order. The system will provide you with a new order number, which you can click on and view. You can also send a confirmation message to a user, and you can type in the email of the user. You can also apply a prepayment. You can go to the advertiser summary. You can go to new order for this advertiser, or you can create a new order for any other advertiser.